So as we all know that we can make money with our smartphones, and in particular being guided by our social media platforms like TikTok, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and all others, the ones we use. You guys, we have known 100% you can make money, but how do you make money from it? Of course, you have to make money by taking photos, graphics, writing text, then making videos like this one you're watching, reels, shorts, and many more other ways of making money with your smartphone and social media platforms. But there's this question: do you think most of us, we have the skills to make sure that we take videos, we edit videos, we have the skills to make sure that we can edit our photos? Because there are some platforms like Facebook, depends on the ratio and resolution of your photos that they can give you money. Even the videos, the skits, and the clips we put on our social media platforms, they do matter a lot. So recently I was with this kind of beginner friendly chat with some people that I got on live on TikTok, and most of them were like, how do we edit our videos? Then another lady sent me a photo, like twice now, or sent me a photo that I should edit her a photo and turn to a certain resolution. She even posted a video on YouTube that was a video which is supposed to be in 16:9 ratio into a 9:16 ratio. So you guys, today, this is a mind-blowing video. Don't touch your dial. Let's watch till the end. I'm going to show you the best 5 editing mobile apps that are user-friendly, that can help you make money with your content. If you know you want to create content on your smartphone especially, and you use your YouTube, you use your TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, these are 5 mobile editing apps that are among the best, and they are more beginner friendly for creators who want to start making money online. Even if you don't want to make money online, but this is good for you. So very disclaimer, this video is for education purposes. We give you 10% of the knowledge, the 90% you should go and research. If you want to take it, you take it. So get to know, treat this video as educational video. We are not financial buoyant, no, we are not financial experts or among social media creators. Super easy. They are very super easy to use, and at the same time they can easily give you templates, they can even give, and there are very many. So I'm starting with the first one. The first one is CapCut. That is CapCut Guru. CapCut, I call it, it's a guru because it is very popular now. It is popular on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, everywhere. And it is super easy and very friendly. It gives you auto captions. It gives you trending music. It can even go ahead and give you fast edits. You know, it is very good for TikTokers, Reels, and Shorts. So if you're there and you're looking for what to use easily, which is very easy for you, go to your App Store, go to your Play Store, put there CapCut. One person gave me 2 versions of CapCut. There's CAP CUT, then they gave me CUP. It is CapCut, the CA. So you can easily go there, you get familiar with it, follow the prompts. Even you yourself, I tell you, as we've had, I give you 10%, the 90%. Learn as you edit. Then the second, by the way, CapCut, I give it around 90/100% because it is also a bit, you have to put in more energy to do what, to learn it. The second one is InShot. InShot was one of my first that I put. You'll be shocked that all these ones are on my mobile phones, and at the same time they're on my laptop. So it has a simple interface, this InShot. I want you to just InShot, and if you want to know all this one by one, maybe you can put in the comment section such that I come with a step-by-step tutorial for each and every one. But if you don't put it in the comment section, I guess you'll be like me, who goes ahead and research for me. So it has a simple interface. It is quick in trimming, it is quick in cutting, it has filters, and it can give you text and music. Ideal for quick videos. When we talk ideal for quick videos, we mean like on social media platform, for social media content, and even it is easy and beginner friendly. So if you're beginning today, you can go and put InShot is InShot app. Then the third one is VN video editor. VN video editor is for something like vlog. Now I love this one because it offers multiple layered timelines. It offers transitions. It can even give you filters. It can give you a 4K report. It's, you know, it has that good balance between ease and use for more advanced editing when you want to grow. So this one, you can also go to your app store or Play Store, just put there VN. And you know what I love most on this? It does not give you its watermark. The watermark comes, but it is very small. I love it that. I hate making a video and you find the word cut just there like that. So I love it so much. The next one is called Power Director. This Power Director is majorly on a mobile version, a bit more powerful in editing. It supports video stabilization. It has also a 4K. Also, it 4K export transition. You can also use voiceovers. You can do it. You can use it for if you want to level up with mobile editing. You guys, I've used all this Power Director Premium Rush. Adobe Premium Rush is one of the best one. How is it best? It is quick in vlogs. It is also quick for if you want to structure long videos or if you don't want to use the other 5 ones. And you guys, in these ones, we have very many, more than 5, but I wanted to give you the user-friendly ones. Now, if you're there and you are like, oh my God, which one should I use? First, if you come to these ones, you're going to learn them step by step. If you're using them, you're also going to see that you will have to have like resolutions are there. You have to see the transitions is there. There are a lot of many things that no one person, if I'm to teach you about editing apps, even one editing app, it will take the whole month, especially if you're a beginner. But if you sit on it and you start yourself slow by slow, as you edit you learn, as you edit you learn, you are going to find yourself being spark. Trust me, the lady you see, I've not been taught anywhere by any person, by any school. No one has taught me anything. I only sat and did this at work. As I learn, as I edit, I learn. Sometimes I click here and say, I've never clicked here. Then I learn. When I feel something is a bit hard for me, I go and I go to YouTube. YouTube has everything that we need. I put there how to edit this and how to edit the other. So this is quick and user-friendly, you guys. So here we are. These are our 5 editing apps, mobile editing apps. And for you, if you want to create content, if you want to create posts, if you want to create photos, these are perfect for us. Thank you very much. If you want anything, elaboration, please write it in the comment section. Thank you. See you in another video.